Ever wonder how some people are turning their phones into money-making machines? This isn't a fairy tale, it's crypto. A few weeks ago, I was just like you, skeptical, confused, and honestly, a lot late for the party. But let me tell you something, the party is far from over. Crypto isn't just digital money, it's a revolution. Bitcoin started it all, Ethereum expanded the possibilities, and now there's thousands of opportunities waiting for you. Let's clear something up. You don't have to be a tech genius or have millions to start. That's just what they want you to think. People everywhere are cashing in. Regular folks like you talking, taking small steps and seeing big results. Look at these stories. But here's the thing. The window of opportunity doesn't stay open forever. The time to act is now. I'm breaking it down in simple steps. No jargon, no fluff, just real talk about how you can make the most of crypto. Crypto isn't just about money. It's about freedom, possibilities, and rewriting your story. Don't sit on the sidelines while others are winning their journey. Start your journey today. Let's make 2025 the year you change your life. See you on the other side.